In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change website background in Wix. By the end, you'll know exactly how to refresh the look of any page in your site with a background that matches your brand and improves readability. First, log in and open your site in the Wix editor. From your Wix account, head to your site's dashboard and choose the site you want to work on. Click Edit Site to open the Wix editor. The editor is where you see a live, editable version of your page with all the tools along the edges. Give it a moment to load so all design controls are available. Once you're in the editor, click anywhere on the background of your page. The background is the large canvas behind your sections, text, and images. If your click selects a strip, gallery, or another element instead, try clicking an empty area near the edges of the page or between sections until you see the background itself become active. You'll know it's selected when you get a small toolbar or panel referencing the page background rather than a specific element. Next, click Change Page Background. This control appears when the background is selected, and it opens the background settings. You're now in the right place to update the visual foundation of the page. This is where simple changes can make a big difference, especially for contrast and overall mood. Choose one option. Depending on your design, you can select a solid color for a clean, minimal look, an image for texture or branding, or a video for a more dynamic feel. When you pick a color, think about readability. Darker text needs a light background and vice versa. If you go with an image, favor high-quality visuals that aren't too busy. Subtle textures often work better than detailed scenes behind text. Large images can slow loading, so optimized files are best. For videos, choose subtle motion that doesn't distract, keep file sizes manageable, and ensure any text placed on top remains easy to read. As soon as you make a selection, the editor updates instantly so you can see how your page looks with the new background. A quick note on context. This change applies to the page you're currently editing, which is helpful if different pages serve different purposes. Consistency is still key, so try to align colors and visuals with your overall brand style. That's it. You've logged in, opened your site in the Wix editor, selected the page background, clicked Change Page Background, and chosen the option that fits your design. Take a moment to review your page, tweak if needed, and you're done.